Today I'm looking at a Renault trafic. Sometimes it won't crank and you can't get it started. The starter motor on this is pretty inaccessible though, so I'll show you what I found. This is the wire going to the starter motor solenoid, and this was the problem. I've just replaced it and it starts fine every time now. I'll show you what the problem with this wire was. The problem seems to be the way they've made it, with the nut being a press fit almost onto the I terminal of the wire. And it moves, there's play in it, and it's full of road dirt and stuff like that. And it's not making a good contact. You can move the wire even though the nut is tight. I've put a bolt in this wire to show you what's going on. Sometimes it makes a good connection, sometimes it doesn't. But with a new I terminal that's put on with a nut, a separate nut and washers and tightened, it's okay. The van starts fine every time now. The wire was a bit of a pain to get to. I had to remove some of the bumper to get to it at the front of the car. But it's starting fine every time now. Just a wire repair and a new I terminal. Thanks for watching.